Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Tactical Expedition. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of Note 10 Plus in Aura Glow, Note 10 Plus in Aura Black. This is an iPhone 11 Pro, 512 gigabyte in gold. This is iPhone 11, regular 11. And this is the lowest one, 64 gigabytes. So this is Note 10. It's the first time opening it. It has a SIM card tray. It has some instructions. So this beautiful color. That's nice. It looks like silver, but it has a lot of reflection. And it has like a cool halo effect, like 3D effect. Kind of cool. USB-C charger. Another USB-C charger. Oh, I'm sorry, this is a earphone. Earphone with USB-C. Oh my gosh. Oh, my wife's gonna kill me. What happened? Okay. And then this is a quick charge, USB-C charger. So that's kind of cool. Aura Glow has that color. I wonder if the pen has that color. Okay. Oh. So Aura Glow has a blue pen. This is Aura Black. Nice, real nice. Front, it has nice glow. Let's see the pen color. Okay, so it's a black color pen. Let's do this. Oh. First time opening it. Okay, wow, the red color is real nice. You know what? On my screen, it looks a little bit orangish, but this has more of a dark red color. So it's beautiful. I think it's an aluminum case. So I better get a case for my mom, but I didn't. So this is frosted glass look, but this is a shiny glass. But that is all one piece, but that is frosted right here. Looks kind of nice. This comes with, that's kind of stupid, but you know, infamous Apple sticker. Now nobody puts on their vehicles, right? Okay, so that's still the shitty charger. That's the iPhone plug headsets and the shitty charger. Okay, they have to upgrade to USB-C soon, I'm sure. On the camera, it looks a little bit pinkish, but on real life, it's not. Maybe because it's my my halogen lights on top. Let's not drop it. Wow. Wow. And the rear glass is frosted. Wow, it looks like a gold bar. Wow. And it's the other way. So this is frosted and that's glossy on the cameras. Wow, that's amazing. It has that perfect color. It keeps changing. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's the exact same as my iPhone X. That's same dimension. Compared to iPhone 11 is bigger. Screen size is bigger too. It's a lower quality screen, but if you don't want to spend too much money and still use nice iPhone, I think this is the way to go, because my coworker has this and it's really nice. The screen size, I can't even tell the difference between LED, or I'm sorry, LCD or whatever, LED and OLED. Like with my eyes, I couldn't tell the difference. Oh, I like this much better though. That's good that I ordered the gold. Okay. And you know what I realized is as soon as I uploaded the iOS 13 on my iPhone 10, it started acting weird, okay? And now they just released the iPhone I'm sorry, iOS 13.1 to fix those issues. This, I guarantee it's not gonna have any problem. It's iOS 13 is built for this iPhone 11, especially iPhone 11 Pro. This one. So this is the case I bought. Is Spigen. This is for my dad. He got the black one anyway. So this is the case. Looks awesome. These don't pop out. It's just for looks, like carbon fiber look. This has like a little shiny glitter to it. Like how, you know, I'm sure all the guys know who's been to strip club, but when you come back from strip club, your clothing has some glitter. Ladies, if they have glitter, they've been to strip club. Because nobody uses glitters. Anyways, so that's that. Is that a biggest secret that I revealed? Probably not. Anyways, it looks like that. I'm gonna take off the sticker, but wow, it's really nice. Wow, it's a good feel too, and it doesn't bother the edge. And I'm gonna put a protector, a screen protector on it. I ordered this. She wanted clear case because she wants to show off her Aura Glow, but she wants a magnetic in the middle so she can attach to her car. And also she wanted the finger ring so she can hold on to it. This is awesome. It's really clear, so it'll probably look like that. Oh, really slim design, and you can see the Aura Glow color. And this is cool because like most of the ring you have to pop it out, right? Because this is just a button, boom, just comes out. It comes out so she can just use it without dropping it. This moves so she can put it on different directions, however she uses it, like that or something. I don't know, but hopefully that doesn't break. And seems strong, but who knows. But it wasn't too expensive. This case was $10. The Spigen case was $10. My case was a little bit more. Was I think $15 or $16. But it's just a clear case. It's called ESR. I have a Spigen case, but Spigen, this is a copy of a Spigen, but it's very flimsy and it's very weak right here. So it won't support. But look, this one, it pops out and it's any angle. It's very sturdy. It's very heavy duty. I don't think this is a metal. It is metal, but it's aluminum, so you can't use it as a magnetic car mount. They should have made it magnetic, but whatever. So to protect that, put that in there, and it will look like that. Wow, that looks really nice. Oh shit. So then I can literally put it upright, any angle, or I can do it, stand it this way, or a little bit further, a little bit closer, go all the way. You can stand it horizontally or vertically. So that's the review of my two Note 10s, Aura Glow, Aura Black, then two iPhones, iPhone 11 Pro 512, this is iPhone 11 64, and that's the case for Note 10 Plus, and this is my case from Spigen. You know, for some reason Spigen doesn't make a glass cover for the screen protector. It was like a rubberish. You have to wet it with the soap water and then set it overnight, and I didn't want to deal with that, so I just bought the glass one. But this is only like $9 for two. This one was like, I don't know, $10 for two. So these are not expensive, so you can try them out. If you don't like it, just get a new one. Okay, then thank you for reviewing my video. Take care, guys.